Happy day 67 of day trading the market open with a small account until we fund it with more money. We got a lot of stuff on the scanners this morning, which means I have a lot to get through in the next minute and 20 seconds. And it is confirmed I do have a broken rib. But that's all right. WORX. Ooh, previous runner. Down quite a bit. Nothing. Penny stock. I can dabble with this if I want to. You can dance if you want to. I might try to dabble with this actually. 140. That's some decent range there. See if it wants to gift me with a opening lower band flush. Ooh, this baby's up 140%. SRXH. We're gonna do that one too. SRXH and NVVE. Ooh, we buy up. Okay, a little too expensive. All right. With 8 seconds to spare, looks like we're going with these for now. Game time. Ooh, VWAP bounce. Pressure. Who's gonna win this battle? Ooh, halt down. Very small halt bands here for SXRH. Yep, and it looks like it was a penny stock pre-market, so that makes sense. Okay, where's the halt band on? All right, opening cross is not finished yet. All right, now it's finished for NVVE. We could take this VWAP breakout 1 minute to make a new high over 88 maybe. It's a little risky this close to the open. Because of that, we're going to let it see if it goes true front side. Might have problems at 2. Okay, all right. Come on down. I will say the broken rib feels way better today than it did yesterday. But yesterday was the first actual day with it. It would hurt to like yawn and stuff today. It's, yeah, that hurts, but you know, it's not as bad. Not as bad. Come on down. Abby Gilmore, come on down. Thank you, shooter. Stock market is flat green. ZKIN, what you doing? Ooh, you've done 2 lower bands now. 5% on each. $180. Ooh, I was gonna say 188 broke, but ping-ponged a little bit back over 188. Small buyer. And I saw that small seller too. Looks like I have to be careful around VWAP here for now, based on those last 3 minutes. What are these dailies looking like? Probably garbage. Oh, we are approaching the 100-day moving average at 213, which is right up here. So let's get through that before we get too excited about anything over here. SYTA, what you doing? Oh, you bounced off of close to your 200. SRXH opens in about a minute. Pushing NVVE. A good VWAP bounce, huh? Gotta keep that in mind. 12%. 12%, and it looks like it's trying to go front side for the MACD. Or with the MACD. Front side. What else is buzzing? We buy still buzzing. Got some sellers over here at 210, looks like. Okay, having some problems with this 207, 210 area. Let's see what the next move is. There you go. Nice. Oh, it just broke the 100-day moving average. That's choice excellent. This halt up's at 231. And well, I imagine if it breaks 228, it'll probably halt up. So we'll see. So watch it. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that ratio there. $215, $214, $212, $12, $212, $207, $211. Bounced off at $207 nicely. $210, $209. Holding that 207 line, that little pivot area for now. And it looks like SRXH got a 10 or 10-minute halt over there. Get ready. Get ready if 207 breaks down. If it does, I might try another frontside VWAP bounce. This did not work yesterday, but might have worked later in the day. Who knows? What is that at? That's at 188. The MACD almost looks like it's trying to roll over already, which isn't really ideal. Or should we wait to see if it flushes down and kind of bear traps? The bear trap has been working decently well. 1 minute's making new highs, 218. Don't think I'm going to be taking that. Guess if it breaks 218, back to highs is 224. That's enough. It should be enough range. But it looks like it wicked off that area. So now we wait. SYTA, what you doing? Halt down halt down is 130 for SYTA, SRXH. Problem I'm gonna have with SXRH is if it does move, it's still gonna tight halt band up and down. So even if I get a good entry, I'm probably gonna get stuck in a halt. All right, so level 2's buzzing here. Is it gonna crack 218, 217, 17 again, back to 14. Small buyers at 13, 14, and rejected off the area again. I mean, if it VWAP bounces, I gotta take that risk. If it flushes down, I mean, that's 7% back to, well, it might have problems with 2 if it comes back down. But let's just see. Let's just see what happens. All right, that one actually built some pressure up to the 1 minute to make a new high. Let's see if it breaks right here. That's a break. Let's see if it fake breaks or if it rips. Not necessarily a rip, but it did go back and test high of day. Not going to take a high day breakout trade. MACD looking like it's pushing back up again. Okay, nice. Speed, yeah, the tape is looking quick. 30, 36, very nice. That's a gross open for RXH or whatever this thing is. Halt up is 115. It's at 1. I guess I could maybe take it at 1. Try to ride it up to, oh, nope. There goes 98 cents. I was going to say if the whole dollar holds, but surely it did not. This thing, halt down's at 85 cents. $0.81 now, halt down. What's the news on that thing? After the company announced it purchased approximately 1.5 million of Solana tokens. Okay. Yay. Countdown is now 77. Lower band 74. This thing's getting worked. SRXH. And NVVE is getting really extended from VWAP here, which is not great for me. Oh, this thing is buzzing. What's this news? Multiple digital asset advisory consultants to accelerate digital assets subsidiary. All right, crypto is in the news today. Yo, if this thing cracks like 262, it has lots of space. There's 260. There's 268. All right, we should really be looking for an entry on this stupid thing. Halt up's 275. Rejected off a halt up, but this thing is extended. Very extended. But it's looking strong. I don't want to just hop in up here. Gotta wait for something. Man, look at that curl too. Nice. Curl, pop, doji, pop some more. Maybe you could call that a cup and handle. I don't know. Not too much of a handle. 1 bar worth. Halt up moved up to 289 now. One minute to make a new high, of course, is going to be over 275 there. Now it's going to be over 267. 20 seconds until a new minute. Halt up moved up to 293. Okay, let's see if this 1 minute to make a new high. 267 I'm eyeing. Rejected near that level. 250 trying to hold. EMA's at 244. Might be doing something, might be cupping like it did over here. Look, we had very similar candle here, 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 here. This one couldn't make a new high. This one wicked to the same one. There, wicked to the same candle. So let's see if it curls or if it just drops out. $265. There's 265. Oh, I got a really good fill. Great fill. Took half off. All right. All right. That wick was looking soft. It was looking weak. So that's why I had to jump out there. I took the 1 minute to make a new high on the green. Saw the green. Took half off as it tried to break through high. I then took the rest off when I saw it starting to make a little topping tail there. Because I wanted it to boom. I wanted it to go, and it didn't go. So that's what that was all about. Okay. Wow, we buys up 200% now. A little bit of a bottoming wick there. Small buyers at 241. 241 held the line. Back to 241. Held again. Tested 241 again. Those buyers are gone. Unless they move their order. Unless they're spoofing orders. 1 minute to make a new high is going to be right about now. I got to be careful with 250 though. I'm not going to take the 1 minute to make a new high because we're now in a range. I'm tired of getting wrecked in ranges. There it goes. 1 minute to make a new high. Let's see if it holds. SRXH failed halt up there at 104. Looks like it might try for it again. This thing's starting to curl. This one might catch some shorts. I think I might change my focus over here to SRXH. It might catch some shorts. The only thing is I don't want to hold into a halt. This one might catch some shorts off guard. Halt up, move to 107. VWAP's at about 109, 108. 101. Okay, maybe I got it too excited too soon. Let's see if one holds. There's one. There's 101. Small buyer there at 101, 104. Halt up, move to 110. Man, NVVE just looks like it's still trying. There's a push through 1 minute. But is it going to hold this time? Both of these wicks got bought up. This one's pretty small, we'll say that. SRXH is getting wrecked. Alright, should probably focus back on NVVE. Just trying to curl. Got a little cup going on here. I will say it's nice to make money on that fake breakout. Do I want to take a range bound VWAP bounce though? It hasn't touched VWAP for a long time. There's probably a lot of theoretically, psychologically, I think there might be a lot of people waiting for a VWAP bounce, so it might not be a terrible play. I mean, it hasn't touched VWAP since 4 minutes after the open. It would have to be a pretty gross candle though. It would break down pretty much everything that it's at least trying to form right now. This is pressure. That's almost a new low. That's a new low. Let's see if it comes down. Okay, another small wick got bought. MACD is in a range though, so I don't want to take a 1 minute to make a new high. Wow, SYTA, wasn't this thing up 200% at one point? No? Am I thinking of the wrong one? Yep, clearly I am. Okay, and VVE officially had a 1 minute to make a new high there. Then again, it had one here too, but... Okay, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna replicate exactly what we saw here? $262. 262 definitely needs a crack. And that was a daily level we drew from March 3rd. 262, that's what this dotted line is. All right, testing it now, rejection. Back to 262, back to 263, 263. Small buyers at 261. Those buyers are down to 260. Those buyers are gone, and they got chomped. $254, $255. Back under 250. Come on, give us a flush down to VWAP. Give it to the people. Give it to the people. Come on, crack down this level here. 240, 241. Speeding up onto the red. 238. Nope, back to 240. All right, I think that's it for me. Closing out a green week. That's really all you can ask for. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Let me know how you guys did in the comment. Drop a like. Much appreciated. I'm out of here. Peace.